Hi, and welcome to SvanData. My name is Per Wiklund, and I'm the owner. I will do a demo video for the SvanData new app.
I will help during the demo video. SvanData is a company that helps understand world trade through monthly and annual figures. We develop tools that compile all the world's countries, what they import and export, both in value and quantity. The app shows through a subscription what is being traded with the products you want to follow. Each product is divided into an HS number. If we take for example 250,100, which is salt, we are interested in what the United States has imported in 2023. Total. From which continent, and then in more detail which country in this continent. We want to know the total for the year and also what price they have paid. If we want to download the report to Excel, we do it easily with the push of a button. We can also download several reports and make our own by downloading a CSV file and, for example, using Power BI.
Thank you for your time, and hopefully we see each other in the future. Bye.